Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find your Instagram username and your Instagram password. So finding the Instagram username is actually quite easy. All you need to do is simply click on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. And then once you click here, you can see that your username is here displayed at the top. So as you can see that it was actually quite simple to determine your username, but for the password part, unfortunately there is no direct way that you can know your password, since it would be a security violation. So Instagram unfortunately does not allows that. But what you can do is you can remember your login info so that you don't have to remember your password every time you try to log in. So in order to do this, you need to click on these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner of your screen. And then once you're inside the settings and activity tab, you may click on this account center button right here, and it will lead you to the meta account center. And from here you can see this option which says password and security. Click on this password and security tab and it will lead you to the password and security options. Now here you can see the third option which says saved login. You may click on it and you need to enable this toggle right here, and as it says that they will remember your account information for you on this device, you won't need to enter it when you log in again. So simply turn this toggle on and you're all set to go. Now you will be given your user and password by default whenever you try to log into this particular device. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.